Searching for a job definitely isn't easy. Sometimes you don't even hear back on an application that you spent hours on, and it's only natural to feel job search frustration when things aren't going as planned. However, there are some things that can help, including the following tips for staying positive and maintaining job search motivation.
Working to a daily routine can really help with a motivated mindset. Make elements of your job search part of your daily routine. For example, you could start with breakfast, then a workout, before tailoring your CV or updating your LinkedIn profile before your first lecture.
Set yourself measurable goals that are specific to you so that you can track your progress. For instance, if you're interested in expanding your network, you could make it a goal to connect with one new person in your industry each week via LinkedIn.
Celebrate the small wins and create your own brand file. If you're feeling frustrated with your job search, take a moment and remind yourself of all the things you've accomplished so far, whether that be with your academics, your work experience, or even your hobbies and interests. Not only will it give you a boost of confidence, but it will give you a whole list of highlights for you to bring up in your next interview.
Especially over the past year, there have been a number of uncontrollable elements, most obviously that we were in a global pandemic. So try to soften the stress from what you cannot influence and focus on what you can change. It could be getting some interview practice in, using Interview 360, or starting a new online course. There are lots of options out there.
Finally, step back and take a break. You don't have to do everything at once. And while it's important to keep up with your job searching activities, it's also important to keep things in perspective. Spend time with your friends and family, watch your favourite Netflix show, or do whatever makes you feel positive.
We hope those few tips helped, but remember that everyone's job search is different, and what might work for one person won't necessarily work for you. Make sure to register to the Careers Hub platform to have access to online career resources, our different employer events, and the available job opportunities. Also, see more on our YouTube for helpful tips and advice from Careers Hub staff and fellow LSVU students.